Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Chaudhary. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to create a frame in the HTML. A frame tag defines one particular window of frame within a frame set. Each frame in a frame set can have a different attributes such as border, scrolling, the ability to resize, etc. These are the following attributes which we can use in the frame. A frame border specify the border of the frame. The value of this frame border equals to 0, then there is no border, and if the value is 1, then the border is visible. The name attribute is used to specify the name of the frame. It is used when any hyperlink is targeted to a particular frame. No resize is used to specify whether the frame is resizable or not. The scrolling attribute is used to provide the scroll bar in the frame. There is the three possible value, yes or no or the auto. When the scrolling set to yes, the scroll bar is available. When scrolling set to no, the no scroll bar is available for the frame. When the scrolling value set to auto, then the scroll bars appear automatically when it is required in the frame. The src attribute is used to specify the URL of the document which is going to be displayed in the frame. The frame set elements hold one or more frame. Each element can hold a separate document. Each frame elements can hold a separate document. The frame set elements specify how many columns or rows there will be in the frame set and how much percentage of space will occupy each of them. The attribute of the frame sets are calls and rows, and we can use these attributes one at a time. Calls specify the number and the size of column in a frame set. Rows specify the number and the size of rows in a frame set. The possible value for the calls and rows is percentage, px, and asterisk. Percentage is used to acquire the percentage area of the frame, and px is used to acquire the pixel area of the frame, and the remaining space which is left is mentioned by the asterisk. Let's take an example. Here is a frame with 3 sections as a column. So the frame set has this 3 values, 25%, asterisk, 25, which means we have 3 frames. This 25% area is given to the page 1 and page 2, and the remaining area is given to the page 3 because it is mentioned in the middle, so the page 2 occupy this area. So frame 1 has page1.html, which is going to be displayed in the page in this frame. Page 2 will be displayed in this frame, and page 3 will be displayed in this frame. Let's take another example. Here we have declared one complete HTML file. This HTML file does not contain any body tag. It just contains only a head tag with within it a title tag which display a frame on the title bar. So we have declared a frame set with row equals to 50% and the remaining is the asterisk, and the frame border is visible. It's look like this: frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. This frame set has 2 rows. So these are the 2 rows of the frame set. The first row has 2 columns, so that's why we have used here frame set. And frame set specify this call equals to 50 for this first frame and the remaining asterisk for this second frame. To create this frame, we required this frames in this frame set. So the frame 1 will open the frame1.html file. Frame 2 will open the frame2.html file. Here we have mentioned the name to this frame: frame 1, frame 2. The second row is the frame. It displays the frame3.html, and name of this frame is the frame 3. Let's take an example. Let's see the frame1.html file. It contains a complete HTML document and the body part has contained a heading element which display a frame 1 and an unordered list with two list items, ordered list and unordered list, with hyperreference to the order.html file for ordered list and unordered.html file for the unordered list. And we have also mentioned the target in this hyperlinks. When these hyperlinks are clicked, that then this order.html file will open this frame 3, which we have mentioned the name in the frame 3 in the previous example, in the previous slide. The order.html is also going to be open in frame 3 when this ordered list dot when this unordered list is clicked by the user. So this is the frame1.html file, and this file is going to be open in frame 1. Thank you for watching this video.